Hi, my name is Hope, and I'm in 5th grade. Welcome to Edward K. Ellington.
And thank you, Hope. Hi, my name is Leilani. I'm in the 5th grade. I go to Edward K. Ellington, and recently we celebrated an event for our dads. And my dad came, and we had a wonderful time celebrating at Edward K. Ellington with donuts and coffee to celebrate your dad.
Hi, my name is Amber, and I go to Edward K. Ellington. In 21 days of school so far, I've learned how to use so many different strategies to add and subtract decimals. Just like using compatible numbers, compensation, and just lining them up like standard outwards. I've learned so much at this school, and I can't wait to learn more.
Hi, my name is Talisa Prasad. I go to Edward K. Ellington, and I'm in 5th grade, and one of my favorite subjects so far is ELA, and what we're learning in ELA right now is inventions and how their inventions affected the lives of people and what led them to make those inventions.
Hi, my name is Karina, and the grade I'm in is grade 5, and the school I go to is PS 140 Edward K. Ellington. And what I like celebrating about this school is this beautiful mural.